Fourth stimulus check update. President Biden is considering giving $4 trillion on the two infrastructure packages. He said, as a country, we are now in debt of $28 trillion. Therefore, spending another $4 trillion is a big deal. The latest stimulus package that was revealed is $1.8 trillion. These $1.8 trillion is expected to invest in education, childcare, and paid family leave. The American Families Plan is a $1 trillion. Investment and enhanced tax credits are $800 billion. Also, there is a plan to collect an additional $1.5 trillion by taxing the rich. American Families Plan. In American Families Plan contains $200 billion in universal preschool for all children ages 3 to 4. They calculated that this will save $13,000 for an average family and will benefit 5 million children. In education sector, the main concern is to relax parents' families, as parents could go to work while children go to free pre-K classes. And this will also save families $13,000. This will be without income limitations of families. There are also $109 billion for colleges to make 2 years of community college free. This will benefit 5.5 million students if all states of the US participates in this program. Families that are earning less than $125,000 and enrolled in 4-year historically black colleges and universities or other minority-serving institutions will get 2 years of subsidized tuition for students, as the President proposed $39 billion for this program. Loan for workers. The workers will also get benefits from the American Families Plan with 12 weeks of paid paternal and medical leave. Through the National Leave Program, workers will receive equal to $4,000 a month. This program costs $22.5 million in 10 years. Third stimulus check update. The 7th batch started processing on 23rd April and had a payment date of April 28th. This batch contained 1.2 million payments to eligible individuals. Individuals who recently filed their tax returns would be benefited in the 7th batch. The 7th batch has 1.1 million payments by direct deposit and almost 850,000 paper checks payments. If your income reduces significantly in 2020 as compared to your 2019 tax return, then you are eligible to receive stimulus checks. If you have a child in 2020 and added him or her as your dependent in your tax return, you are going to get the dependent stimulus check payment. IRS is still sending plus up payments weekly. If you didn't get, you should get it in the upcoming days.